Bronchi and bronchioles. When the trachea divides at the level of fifth thoracic vertebrae, two primary bronchi will be formed and they were divided into right bronchus and a left bronchus. Right bronchus is wider, shorter and the 2.5 centimeters in length and it divides into three branches. And the left bronchus is very narrower than the right. It is having 5 centimeters length and it divides into two branches. So you can see in the figure about the right primary bronchus and left primary bronchus how they are divided. Structure of the bronchi mainly composed of the same tissues as that of trachea. It is lined by mainly ciliated columnar epithelium. And then the bronchi is divided into bronchioles. These bronchioles are further divided into terminal bronchioles, and these terminal bronchioles are further divided into respiratory bronchioles, and these are further divided into alveolar ducts and alveoli. You can see the structure of bronchi. You can clearly see what is right primary bronchus and the left primary bronchus in the lungs, how they are divided. And then you can see the structure here. See alveoli, the left side structure is a normal alveoli. The right side structure contains a fluid in the alveoli which is known as pneumonia condition. And the functions of this includes control of entry of air and also warming and humidifying, support and patency, and removes particulate matter, and it also useful in cough reflex. And the bronchioles and alveoli, as we had saying that this is divided into alveolar ducts and alveoli. These alveoli are also known as air sacs. They are present about 150 million air sacs. These air sacs or alveoli are mainly useful for exchange of gases in the lungs. And the functions of this includes mainly external respiration, which includes exchange of gases will cause this external respiration in alveoli, and this is also useful in defense against microbes. The protective cells which are present in lymphocytes and plasma cells produces antibodies which acts against the foreign antigens. It also useful in the exchange of gases. Subscribe to my channel for more and more informative videos.